Meaning of deserts.
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 Deserts. Deserts can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In its most common usage, deserts refers to a barren or arid area of land with little or no vegetation, often associated with hot and dry climates. However, deserts can also mean a just punishment or reward earned based on one's actions or behavior. This can refer to someone getting what they deserve, whether it be punishment for wrongdoing or reward for hard work and good deeds. The term deserts thus conveys the notion of deservingness or deservingness-based outcomes.